Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Please turn on the subtitles or the caption of this video. So let's start today's video. So guys, today's video is very interesting and don't skip this video. Watch this video full because today's video is how tall is the Sachin Tendulkar, the famous cricketer, the legend cricketer, and the we measure how tall is Sachin Tendulkar and comparing it with a couple of celebrities and reveal his true height. So let's start today's video. The Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, born on 24 April 1973, is an Indian former international cricketer who served as captain of Indian national team. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest batsmen in the history of cricket. He is the highest run scorer of all time in the international cricket and the only player to have second uh, scored one scored 100 international centuries. The right batsman to score a double century in one day international ODI. The holder of the record of the most run in both Test and ODI cricket, and the only player to complete more than 30,000 runs in the international cricket. In 2013, he was one of the Indian cricketers included in all-time Test world name to mark the 150 anniversary of Whitesman Cricket's alumni. And the guys, I want to tell you that the he is affectionately known as the Little Master Blaster. So guys, now I will compare the Sachin Tendulkar with the other celebrities and reveal his true height. So guys, first picture on your screen, the first picture, or guys, you can say that Sachin Tendulkar is standing with the Amir Khan, film director Rajkumar Hirani, and the Anushka Sharma. The Anushka Sharma height is said to be 5'9", and Rajkumari Hirani height is said to be 5'9", and the Amir Khan height is said to be 5'6". And guys, here you can see in this picture the if the Sachin Tendulkar height is the 5'5", and here you can say the Rajkumani Hirani is the at least 3 inches, 3 or 3.5 inches taller than the Sachin Tendulkar. So guys, Amir Khan also is half inches taller than the Sachin. So guys, come to the next picture on your screen. So guys, next picture on your screen. In the next page, Sachin Tendulkar is standing with the Amir Khan. The Amir Khan height is said to be 5'6", and guys, here you can see Amir Khan is at least 1 inch tall in this picture. So guys, come to the next picture on your screen. So guys, another picture, Sachin Tendulkar standing with the Amir Khan. Here Amir Khan and the Sachin Tendulkar are looking at the same height almost in this picture. So guys, come to the next picture on the screen. So guys, in the next picture, the Amir Khan is standing with the singer and the actor Ayushmann Khurrana. The Ayushmann Khurrana height is 5'9", and guys, here you can see the Ayushmann Khurrana is at least 3 or 3.5 inches taller than the Amir Khan in this picture. So guys, come to the next picture on your screen. So guys, in the next picture, the Sachin Tendulkar is standing with the Bollywood celebrity, the Ranveer Singh. The Ranveer Singh height is said to be, I think, 5'10", and guys, here you can Ranveer is at least 4 inches taller than the Amir Khan in this picture. So guys, come to the next picture on your screen. So guys, another picture on the screen, the Sachin Tendulkar standing with the Indian cricketer and the Sourav Ganguly. Sourav Ganguly height is the 5'11" tall, and guys, here you can see the Sourav Ganguly is at least 5 inches taller than the Sachin Tendulkar in this picture. So guys, here you can say that the Sachin Tendulkar is 5'5". So guys, come to the next picture on your screen. So guys, in the next picture, the Sachin Tendulkar is standing with the his wife and the Anushka Sharma and the Virat Kohli. The Virat Kohli height is the 5'9", and Virat Kohli in this picture is looking at least 3.5 inches taller than the Sachin Tendulkar. So guys, come to the next picture on your screen. So guys, come to the next picture on the screen. In the next picture, the Sachin Tendulkar is standing back to back with the Shah Rukh Khan. The King Khan height is the 5'7", and guys, here you can see King Khan is looking 2 inches taller than the Sachin Tendulkar. Here you can see that the Sachin Tendulkar is 5'5" in this picture. So guys, come to the next picture on your screen. So guys, in the next picture, the Sachin Tendulkar is standing with the Ranbir Kapoor. The Ranbir Kapoor is at least 6 feet tall, and guys, here you can see he is looking in this picture 5 inches taller than the 5 or 6 inches taller than the Sachin Tendulkar in this picture. So guys, come to the next picture on your screen. So guys, in the next picture, the Sachin Tendulkar is standing with his wife Amitabh Bachchan and the his son Abhishek Bachchan and the Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, and the Abhishek Bachchan height is 6'3" and the Amitabh Bachchan is 6'2". Amitabh Bachchan is looking like 7 inches taller than the Sachin Tendulkar, because Sachin Tendulkar is short, and the Abhishek Bachchan is also looking very tall, 7 to 8 inches taller than the Sachin Tendulkar in this picture. So guys, come to the next picture on your screen. So guys, in the next picture, the Sachin Tendulkar and the Amitabh Bachchan is looking very closer to each other. Guys, here you can see that in this picture, they both are looking. The difference between the height is the 7 inches. So guys, come to the next picture on your screen. So guys, in the next picture, the Sachin Tendulkar is standing with the Mukesh Ambani and his family, and on the left hand of the Sachin Tendulkar, there is standing Mukesh Ambani's son. The Mukesh Ambani's son height is the 5'10", and Mukesh Ambani is 5 feet 6.5 inches tall. And guys, the Mukesh Ambani in this picture looking 1 inch taller than Sachin Tendulkar, and Mukesh Ambani's son is looking at least 4 inches taller than the Sachin Tendulkar in this picture. So guys, come to the next picture on your screen. So guys, in the next picture, you can see that the Sachin Tendulkar is standing with his son. His son is instead 6 feet 2 inches tall. And guys, here you can see in this picture, they are standing in front of the Chandramouli. Chandramouli is 6'5", and here you can see that the his son is 6'3" or 6'2". And guys, here you can see he is looking. Sachin Tendulkar is looking short in front of his son. So guys, come to the next picture. In the next picture, they are standing in the family and looking very short in front of his son. And in the next picture with his family, he is looking very short in front of his son, because his son is 6 feet 2 or 3 inches tall, and the difference between the height is at least I think 7 to 8 inches. So guys, come to the next picture on your screen. So guys, come to the next picture on your screen. In the next picture, Sachin Tendulkar is standing with his wife, and the wife Anjali Tendulkar height is the 5'4", and here you can say that they are looking almost same in this picture. So guys, come to the next picture. In the next picture with his wife, he is looking almost same in this picture. So guys, come to the next picture. In the next picture also they are looking very same, and the Sachin Tendulkar is looking half inches taller almost from his wife. So guys, in the conclusion, we can say that the Sachin Tendulkar is 5 feet 5 inches tall, not more than that. And guys, but he is a master blaster, and he is the god of the cricket. And guys, if you like this video, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for the latest update. And guys, share this video with family, friends, and guys, thanks for watching.